Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh and Yak Shimash. Welcome to the next part of the Rolls Rapide Refurb, Tidy Up, Respray, and let's get it working basically. So we have done the top, we have done the base, we have done all the other little bits that I took off it. They're all clean as well, ready to go on. The next thing we need to work on is this, which is the innards of it, the gizzards, the tubs and the motor. Now, a lot of this has already been repaired. What we need to do now is just clean it up, and there's one or two little changes that I need to make to it. So I'll get you a little closer and I'll explain what I'm going to do. So now I've got you off the tripod, I can just go around. This is the rinse part of the tub, and that is the wash part. So it's got its own motor there and another motor and separate pump here. So a lot of the work has already been done to it, thanks to the guys. Links to their channels will be in all of these video descriptions, so check them out. So what I'm going to be doing is basically cleaning it up. I've got a bucket here of warm water with some biological washing powder to help cut through the grease and everything. I've also got my degreaser here, which is the Chemical Guys, is it? Is it Chemical Guys? Yeah, it is Chemical Guys. Orange degreaser, so I got some of that to help with some of the stubborn, more greasy parts of it. Basically, we're just going to clean this up. That's all that it needs. This is the, you can see there where the brackets have come, where they've come off here, and it's come away underneath there, which holds it into place, which is what's causing its lean. So I've got a bit of a hack fix for it, with a metal bar that's going to go and support across here with some foam underneath to keep it into place but still give it enough movement, but it's just going to hold it better. And as you can see there, some of the motors just all crunchy and gungy, and I'm going to put a little bit of grease back into that bearing there for the spinner, but everything else, belts and everything, they all work. Some of these wiring looms, I've got new ones for these which are encased to make them a lot safer. The heater, now we know that the heater wasn't working on it. I'm not going to be doing much to it if I can help it. I will just take a quick look and see what I can do. And again, this motor on this side just needs a bit of a clean up, and that is that bloody part that was so awkward to try and fix, and it's still not 100%. There's still a little leak coming from it. These we replaced, or the boys replaced, with proper clips. And what I'm going to do with this as well is the same thing. I'm going to replace those clips with better ones, stronger ones. But yeah, so far so good. So I'm going to do this in fast forward, and that's all I'm doing is basically just cleaning it up. So let's get on with it. There we go. Done. Put the silver back into the rolls. Everything's all put back together. Spinner's fixed. No more leaning. Quiet. Very, very good. There we go. Refurb done. I do have a friend who's an artist who's going to do the panel for me at some point. So we'll just have to stay like that for a while until he's got time. But there we go. 1960s Rolls Rapide. Lives to tell another day. So I hope you've enjoyed this refurb, so I can do lots of videos on this. I thought I had fixed the heater, but unfortunately I haven't. It's not heating up, but anyway, it works. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye y'all.